Number 1. 1929 Ford model, a hot rod. Price, $29,500. Location, Hardinsburg, Kentucky. This 1929 Ford model hot rod is a professionally built, show-winning custom that has earned top honors wherever it's been displayed, including Builder's Choice Awards, Goodyear's show wins, and recognition at the Detroit Autorama. This car is proven at the highest levels of the show circuit. Every detail reflects expert craftsmanship, from its flawless stance and finish to the careful attention given to fit, detail, and overall presentation. Built to stand out among elite hot rods, this Model 8 isn't just a beautiful car, it's a decorated winner with real pedigree. Whether you're looking to continue collecting trophies or simply want a high-end turnkey hot rod that commands attention, this 1929 Ford model delivers prestige, style, and undeniable presence in one exceptional package. Number 2. 1929 Ford Roadster Steel Classic with Nailhead V6. Price, $28,500. Location, Monte, Pennsylvania. This 1929 Ford Roadster is an authentic steel-bodied classic, offering a striking orange finish and the timeless styling that made the Model 8 era so iconic. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate both vintage aesthetics and engaging driving dynamics, this Roadster is a standout example of early hot rod craftsmanship. Under the hood is a Nailhead V6 running 3 carburetors, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power is sent to a Ford 9-inch rear axle, providing strong, reliable performance. With nearly 100,000 miles, this Roadster has proven its durability and remains fully functional for cruising, car shows, or weekend drives. The interior comes equipped with a functional stereo system, and the exterior has minor paint chips consistent with its age, adding character without compromising its overall appeal. This convertible Roadster runs and drives well, giving a classic open-air driving experience with vintage charm. Summary: a 1929 Ford Roadster with steel body, Nailhead V6 with triple carburetors, 4-speed manual transmission, and Ford 9-inch rear end. Great running condition, good paint with minor chips, stereo installed. Number 3. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster, classic steel hot rod. Price, $15,000 OBO. Location, Jacksonville, North Carolina. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster is a genuine, original steel body T-Bucket, offering classic hot rod style with modern drivability. Perfect for collectors or weekend cruisers, it combines timeless looks with reliable performance. Under the hood sits a small block Chevy, SBC, paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth power and effortless driving. The car features doors on both sides, making it practical while retaining its open road charm. With only minor usage, the vehicle remains in good condition, and the steel body preserves its authentic vintage appeal. The truck carries a clean North Carolina title, ensuring a smooth transfer for the next owner. The seller is flexible on terms and is willing to deliver the vehicle if negotiated. This T-Bucket is a ready-to-enjoy classic, blending nostalgic design with modern hot rod performance. Summary: a 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster with SBC power, automatic transmission, original steel body, and doors on both sides. Clean NC title, well-maintained, priced at $15,000 OBO. Delivery can be arranged with agreement. Perfect for collectors or anyone seeking a classic T-Bucket experience. Number 4. 1936 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery, Custom Build. Price, CA $39,995. Mileage, 24,700 kilometers. Location, Kawartha Lakes, Ontario. This one-of-a-kind 1936 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery is a standout custom street rod that blends pre-war utility styling with classic hot rod performance. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean gray interior, this older custom build has clearly been cared for and thoughtfully assembled, offering both visual impact and reliable drivability. Power comes from a 350ci Chevrolet V8 built by Blackjack engines, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth cruising. If you're looking for something distinctive, well-built, and full of character, This 1936 Chevrolet sedan delivery delivers in both style and substance. Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you. Number 5. 1923 Ford T-Bucket 1974 Replica. Price, $25,000 OBO. Location, Gas City, Indiana. Condition, used like new. This 1923 T-Bucket Replica is a serious old-school hot rod with real muscle behind it. Built in 1974 and clearly done with performance in mind, this car isn't just about looks. It's a legit street bruiser with classic drag-era attitude. Under the hood sits a Ford 400M V8 board .030 over, producing 400-plus horsepower. The engine is packed with quality performance parts, including a Titus solid roller cam, 246/256 at .110 lift, solid roller rockers, Speedmaster heads, forged aluminum pistons, and a stock 400M crank. Fuel delivery is handled by a Holley 750 double pumper, topped with a period-correct vintage B&M air scoop that screams 1970s hot rod culture. Number 6. 1933 Plymouth 5-window 2D Coupe steel body. Price, $59,999. Mileage, 16,000 miles. Location, Livingston, New Jersey. This 1933 Plymouth 5-window 2D Coupe is a beautifully executed custom steel hot rod that delivers rare pre-war style with dependable modern performance. Finished in a bold, deep purple exterior and paired with a clean gray interior, this coupe has undeniable presence and a show-quality look that stands out without being overdone. The all-steel body gives it a solid, authentic feel that serious enthusiasts appreciate, while the custom build ensures it's meant to be driven and enjoyed. Under the hood sits a strong 355 cubic inch engine matched to a smooth 3-speed turbo automatic transmission, providing reliable power, crisp throttle response, and effortless cruising. With 16,000 miles, a clean title, and paid-off ownership, this Plymouth is road-ready, well-sorted, and proven. Whether you're heading to car shows, weekend cruises, or adding a unique piece to your collection, this 1933 Plymouth Coupe offers classic craftsmanship, modern drivability, and timeless hot rod character, all in one exceptional package. Number 7. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor. Price, $27,000. Location, Jefferson, South Carolina. This 1929 Ford Model A Tudor is a tastefully built hot rod that blends classic Model A character with well-executed custom modifications. The car was reworked during previous ownership and presents as a clean, sorted driver with strong visual appeal and a traditional hot rod stance. One of the standout features is the professionally done 4-inch roof chop, which gives the Tudor a lower, sleeker profile while still maintaining excellent proportions and drivability. The vehicle carries a clean title, is fully paid off, and is reported to have no significant damage or mechanical issues. Overall, this Model A Tudor represents a great opportunity to own a nicely modified turnkey hot rod that offers classic style, modern usability, and strong curb appeal at a reasonable price point. Ideal for cruise nights, local shows, or simply enjoying a traditional Ford hot rod without the hassle of a fresh build. Number 8. The 1930 Ford Tudor, priced at $22,000. Heat. According to the listing, this 30 Tudor is built in true rat rod fashion, emphasizing attitude and performance. Power comes from a small block 327 engine, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. An air ride setup on the rear allows for adjustable stance. The seller notes the car is very fast and a lot of fun to drive. Finished in burgundy, offered with a clean title. Located in Wildwood, Missouri. Number 9. 1935 Ford Pickup, offered at $23,000. As listed, this 35 Ford Pickup comes equipped with a 350 engine paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and an 8.8-inch Ford rear axle. The cab has been chopped, and the body sports a green over white paint scheme with custom pinstriping and a mural on the tailgate. Performance enhancements include dual Holley carburetors on an Edelbrock tunnel ram intake manifold, open exhaust headers, an aluminum radiator, disc brakes, and adjustable rear coilovers. The bed floor is polished wood for added detail, and the suspension is lowered with hairpin radius rods up front and adjustable coilovers in the rear. Staggered 5-spoke wheels wear Goodyear Assurance tires up front and 31 by 10.5 Corsa all-terrain tires in the rear. Inside features include a green-painted dashboard from a 1950s Pontiac, a gray leather bench seat, color-matched door panels, carpet, reflective ceiling insulation, and a hidden stereo with auxiliary inputs. The door glass has been removed, and minor corrosion is noted in the floor pans. Driven approximately 22,000 miles since build, the truck runs and drives as good as it looks. Offered at $23,000 OBO. Located in Wimberley, Texas. Number 10. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $39,000. Heat. As described in the listing, this 32 Ford is powered by a 283 engine with a triple deuce carburetor setup, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is backed by a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4-bar coilover suspension. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and a power trunk. Rolling stock includes Craigar wheels wrapped in massive Mickey Thompson 29 by 15 rear tires. The seller states the car runs and drives exactly as it should, with the interior described as being in perfect condition and 9,399 miles driven. Presented as a great summertime runner. Trades considered specifically for a 1955 or 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. Located in Martin, Ohio. Number 11. The 1929 Ford Model Tudor, listed at $24,000. As described in the listing, this 29 Tudor comes equipped with a 59 AB flathead engine, paired with a T5 transmission. The engine uses Stromberg triple carburetors with a Stromberg electronic ignition. As noted by the seller, a spare motor and numerous additional parts are included. The vehicle lacks side glass for the doors, but is otherwise fully operational, running and driving very well. The seller notes it is a head-turner, but is selling due to limited driving time. Trades are limited to newer 3/4-ton trucks, 2020 or newer, with cash adjustments considered for the right deal. An enclosed trailer can be included for an additional price as a package deal. Located in Manchester, New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications. Number 12. 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Price, $6,000. Mileage, 200,000 miles. Location, Fort Worth, Texas. A classic G-body platform with plenty of potential. This 1988 Monte Carlo LS is offered as a rolling project for the right buyer. Finished in blue with a black interior, it retains the clean, timeless lines that made these cars favorites among builders. Equipped with an automatic transmission and paid off with title in hand, it is a solid starting point for a street build, sleeper, or long-term restoration. With many photos available and room for customization, this Monte Carlo offers a budget-friendly entry into classic Chevy ownership. Number 13. 1928 Ford Payton. Price, $27,000. Mileage, 7,000 miles. Location, Reno, Nevada. Heat up here. Here's a rare chance to own a fully finished 1928 Ford Payton Hot Rod at just a fraction of the typical build cost, roughly 1/3 of what it would take to create this car from scratch. Featuring a sleek black exterior paired with a tan interior, it perfectly blends classic 1920 styling with modern drivability. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Payton offers a smooth, comfortable ride that's ideal for cruising, car shows, or weekend drives. With only 7,000 miles, a clean title, and no significant issues, it's in excellent condition and ready to hit the road immediately. This car provides the perfect combination of vintage charm, reliability, and turnkey convenience, making it an ideal pick for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a beautiful hot rod without the hassle of a full build. Number 14. It's not a game. It's a red 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $75,000. Mileage, 2,864 miles. Location: Fair, Virginia. This 1932 Ford three-window coupe is a standout, purpose-built show car that perfectly blends classic hot rod heritage with meticulous craftsmanship. Finished in a striking blue exterior, paired with a clean white interior, this coupe has unmistakable curb appeal and a presence that commands attention. Whether it's on the show field or being unloaded from the trailer, with just 2,864 miles since completion, it's clear this car has lived a pampered life, carefully preserved and tailored to maintain its exceptional condition. The build quality reflects thoughtful planning and execution, making it far more than just a visual statement. It's a cohesive, well-sorted hot rod. The seller notes that this car was built as a show car. From the classic proportions of the iconic three-window body to the refined interior and overall presentation, this Ford delivers both nostalgia and sophistication. Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you. Number 15. 1929 Ford T-Bucket Custom. Price: $9,500. Location: Houston, Texas. This 1929 Ford T-Bucket is a custom-built hot rod that combines classic styling with modern performance. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, it's designed to turn heads while offering a fun, engaging driving experience. Despite being nearly a century old in design, it has only 9,190 miles, making it essentially a lightly used build rather than a high-mileage project. Power comes from a 350 Ci high-performance engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong, reliable performance for cruising or weekend drives. The vehicle is fully operational with all systems in working order, ensuring that it's ready to enjoy immediately. Its lightweight, open-air design gives it the classic T-Bucket look and feel, perfect for car shows, parades, or casual rides. Important note: this T-Bucket is sold without a title, which may affect registration depending on your state. Serious buyers should factor this into their decision. Summary: a low-mileage, bright yellow 1929 Ford T-Bucket with a 350 high-performance engine, automatic transmission, clean, functional, and visually striking. Priced at $9,500. Sold as is without a title. Ideal for enthusiasts looking for a ready-to-drive, classic hot rod.